Increase efficiency and productivity when managing your business with an advanced labeling system. The Epson TM-L100 Linerless printer is an ideal solution to take your labeling workflow to the next level. These crisp, hassle-free labels make it easy when working with custom prepped ready meals or helping identify orders at a deli or produce departments that require customized information. These labels are well-suited for refrigerated cases and open-air environments where durability and accuracy matter. Flexible by design, the Epson L100 printer adapts easily to any existing labeling or POS environment. When having on-demand custom labels is necessary to identify critical information of an order, to support with safety and compliance. With its liner-free adhesive label system, the L100 streamlines labeling for online order pickup and product recategorizing. At fast-paced service stations, the TM-L100's dynamic label-taken sensor keeps orders organized, ensuring service runs smoothly and quickly. Its advanced connectivity allows for easy integration to most existing systems. With its liner-free adhesive labels and Epson's famous print quality, the TM-L100 has you covered. Whether you're upgrading your custom label system or adding pickup, online, or to-go order capabilities, the Epson TM-L100 helps take your business to the next level.